So this problem is a quiz review problem number 1. It is from lesson 8. It is 5x minus 1 over x minus 2 is greater than 0. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we can't factor out either the numerator or the denominator. In this case we cannot, since both the numerator and the denominator are x to the first power. There's no exponents, they're linear factors. So we're going to set our numerator equal to 0 and solve for x. So we're going to add 1 on both sides. We get 5x equals 1. Divide by 5. We get x equals 1/5. Then we're going to set our denominator equal to 0. Solve for x. So add 2 on both sides and we get x equals 2. Draw our number line. So we've got 0, 1, 2. So there's our first point at x equals 2. And we have another point here at 1/5. Okay, so we need to test our points now. So looking here, I need a section here. I'm just going to highlight it for us. So something along this section, something that's less than 1/5. So I'm going to test here for this one, 0. Then I need something in that middle section, which I'm going to highlight in green. So between 1/5 and 2. So I'm going to test 0.5 here. And then finally, I need to test bigger than 2. So all 3 of my different intervals. So greater than 2, we're going to just pick 3 here. So let's start with our test. So testing 0 here. I'm going to just do it right below test 0. So we've got 5 times 0 minus 1 over 0 minus. So 5 times 0 minus 1 is going to give us -1 over 0 minus 2, which gives us -2. -1 over -2 becomes positive 1/2. 1/2 is greater than 0. So this is a section of our inequality. Moving on to test 0.5. So we've got 5 times 0.5 minus 1 over 0.5 minus 2. We've got 2.5 minus 1, which is 1.5, over 0.5 minus 2, which is -1.5. So we get 1.5 over -1.5, which is -1. -1 is not greater than 0. So this middle section does not work. Then we're going to go on and test 3. So we've got 5 times 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 2. And you get 15 minus 1, 14 over 1, which is 14 is bigger than 0. So this section is also a portion. So writing this out, we've got from -infinity to 1/5, along with, so the union symbol, we've got from 2 to positive infinity. And there is our answer.